Hello guys, so with your school account you have access to all this Adobe wonderfulness, and one thing is Adobe Spark. So if you haven't used it before, I know they use it in the digital lit class and stuff. You want to go to like the Adobe Spark page and you want to log in, and you want to log in with school account because that gives you access to all the free things, and you can use your Google thing to sign in. So log in with a Google account, and then you'll put in your school. You can type in your school email, or you can just do continue with Google. That's what I do because then I don't have to remember all my passwords. So go into Google, and then you want to do company or school account. And then you have to wait for it to load, which is so fun. Okay, so you're gonna have two options for this project. One is the web page, and one is the video. So both of them are pretty easy. You go over here to this big blue plus, click on that, and then you have the option for the web page or the video. So when you go to the video, here you can be like, oh, so this is going to be, let's say my natural resource is coal. Okay, next. Then you can do any of these. I'm just going to make up my own because that's going to be easier for what I want to do. And then you wait for it to load. This is just like Google Slides, just a little bit fancier. Okay, and you can go through all this other stuff if you want to, but no. So what you can do is you can add another video, you can add text, a photo, an icon. So I'm gonna put in natural resource project coal by Miss Kirkman. Okay, and then I can have like, there we go. Then I can go through and add, oh, I can change all these things. It'll tell me different things that I can do. Then I can go to the next slide, and then it has credits, but I can go add a slide. Here we go, and then I can have a photo. I'm going to do a split screen. Maybe I want to have a photo here, have my text. So here I'll type in all my information, numbers, blah, 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 blah. And then over here, I can go and I'm going to get a photo. And you can upload a photo or take a photo or find free photos. So I'm just going to type in coal here. And let's see what I can get. Oh, lots of cool things about coal. So take that. Then I can even record my voice and talk about all my information there. So that's how you can do a video. Again, you can change the theme. You can make it all pretty. You can do different colors. Lots of options for you there. You can resize. You can add music. So you can have music for each slide if you want to, or you can add your own music. That's how you do the video. You do want to name your video. Okay, let's say go through and it should save. I can add people. You don't need to add people to it. Okay, I can preview my video. Oh, so great. Okay, then it should show my video right here, so I can go back into it. The web page is super easy, and with the web page you can add a title, natural resource project coal by Miss Kirkman. Okay, and then you click on the plus here, and then you can add a photo. Again, you go to click here, find free photos, coal. Oh, here, I'm gonna pick a different picture. And then, okay, then we scroll down. Then I can add a photo. I can do a slideshow if I wanted to. I can do a split layout. I can add a YouTube video to my thing. Lots of like cool things that you can do. So here I'm going to click on this and I click adding text. And then this is where I put my information for my project and go blah, 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 blah. Okay, and add a picture here. So that's how easy it is. Then you'll go into Canvas and submit your project with Adobe Spark. And that's how you use Adobe Spark.